Hello, Trailblazers! Today, we're diving into the Jeffersonian era, an exciting period in American history that transformed the United States. Imagine it's the early 1800s. The country is young, and big changes are on the horizon. Let's start with the Louisiana Purchase in 1803. President Thomas Jefferson made a bold move, buying a massive piece of land from France that doubled the size of our country almost overnight. This vast, uncharted territory stretched from the Mississippi River to the Rocky Mountains. Trailblazers, picture explorers venturing into a land of towering mountains, dense forests, and untamed rivers. Next, Jefferson sent two brave explorers, Meriwether Lewis and William Clark, on an expedition to map this land and discover what lay within it. They faced dangerous rivers, wild animals, and challenging weather, but they also encountered incredible landscapes and met Native American tribes along the way. Their journey opened up the West, inspiring pioneers to settle in new places. Finally, we reached the War of 1812. This was a conflict between the United States and Great Britain, sparked by issues like trade restrictions and the British practice of impressing American sailors into their navy. The war was intense, and one of the most famous battles took place in Washington, D.C., where the British set fire to the White House. But there were also victories, like Andrew Jackson's defense of New Orleans, which filled Americans with pride and boosted a sense of national identity. The Jeffersonian era changed America, making it bigger and stronger. This spirit of exploration, bravery, and resilience is something we can carry with us in our own learning journey. So let's keep pushing forward, just like the explorers and pioneers who shaped our nation.